Some mallards in there. Just let them work in. Stay still. We got birds all over us. Okay, if these three mount, or if this three work in. So many birds. Be ready for these three. Your left, your left. Or if you're turning around, left. Kill him if you can.
We dropped 2, I know that.
I know we got 2. Kill him. Sorry. I just look over my shoulder. I'm like, kill him.
I saw Caleb pull up and I had to pull up.
I had no idea.
Right,
yep. Luna, fetch it, fetch it, fetch it.
Watch you sailing.
Reload, reload.
Yep.
Pennies. Pennies. I didn't even see it until I looked over there.
I know, I see Caleb pulling.
You just need to, so Owen, you just need to watch that corner.
Here.
Hey, here, hold. Luna, kennel. Hey, kennel. Hey, drop. Kennel, kennel.
No.
Kennel. Luna, kennel. Pintails. Only shoot 3 if they get low enough. They might bank off your corner, just letting you know. Right here, right here. You can kill it, Susie, if you want.
Kill it.
Hey, go shoot it again. Shoot it again.
Huh?
She's not dead.
I can't see it.
Oh, maybe she is. Luna's after it.